Mum.
It is
Maybe
bad.
now
Oh,
she's telling
it's
Rocky.
just there. Come with me. Oh, we might have to go on the other side.
Mum, look, what a tight.
I know.
Wonder if it's something there, huh, Mum?
It will be, look. Oh no.
What is this okay, huh, Mum? Why not chat? Mum, look at me, the tiger in me. Mum, check out.
What is it?
Tiger.
Where?
See? Mum, the tiger means
Yeah,
the
okay.
water.
Only a little one.
When they ever started reading, huh, Mum?
Mhm.